Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Our lunar box came in. I know it's a little late, but alright, it's our DC stuff we ordered. Whoops, I hate when it does that. So we'll take one thing at a time. You stay here. So we end up getting Superman Annual 2026. Look at the cover of that. That is awesome. We pretty much get every key that's hot that week. So everything that we carry in new books right now is all keys in some shape or form. All right. So next up we got Justice League Night Vision #1. Beautiful copy. All right. Beautiful books. So we got another Superman Annual #1 variant cover. We got the other variant cover. I think he's trying to be Thor. That's a pretty good one. I like the colors on this. I forgot what makes the key. I should have came better prepared, but I didn't. So next time I will. So we got more copies of these. All right. So the next copy we got is this. Same thing. The variant cover. That is sick. That is awesome. Love this. And then we also have cover A. And then we also, that got screwed up. And then we also got cover A of Justice League. Yeah, not a too big order. Just these right now. This is what I seen that I thought would be interesting. We will be ordering more today or tomorrow. So if you guys have any orders to place in, please let us know. If you guys are interested in opening a pull box with us, some of you guys have LLCs that are close to you, or not LLCs, but comic shops that are close to you guys. Some of you guys may not. So if you guys want a pull box with us, just leave a comment below. But always check your local comic shop first. And then if not, come reach out to us. It is $10 for life for the rest of this year. 15% off of new books. And we'll do free shipping if you order more than 5 copies. All right, until next time. Peace.